Right, today in this video, my name's James and this is Adam. We're going to show you how to replace the wheel only on this one. We'll have another video following to show you how to change the whole thing out. But for this you'll need a Phillips screwdriver is all you'll need for this, and Adam will take that out of there. Fairly simple. Okay, you're going to take that wheel out of there, and on your damaged case, this part here, this housing might be pinched together a little bit, so you're going to have to take a pair of pliers or a vice grip, spread it out a little bit so you can get that new one back in there. Just tap it in there with the mallet or a hammer, whatever you have. Line the holes up so that bolt will go back through there. Put the bolt back through there, tighten it back up. And these come in bags of 2, so you can change both of your tag wheels on the same case, so you have both new and not just one new and one old. So. Good and tight so it doesn't fall off. And there you have your new wheel.